Hey there, I'm Shannon. You know, life can be a bit of a roller coaster, right? Between work, errands, and everything in between, sometimes you just need a little break. Like, just the other day, I was having the worst hair day ever. And don't even get me started on my nails. I chipped one trying to open a stubborn pickle jar. Yeah, life's funny like that. But you know what always cheers me up? A visit to Tangles Salon. The moment I walk in, I'm greeted with the warmest smiles. It's like a mini vacation. This is my favorite part, just relaxing and letting the professionals work their magic. It's like they're reading my mind or something. They seem to always know what I want. And then, voila, look at me now. My hair is on point and my nails absolutely flawless. Thanks to Tangles, I feel like a brand new person. The staff here are simply amazing. They always know how to make me look and feel my best. So, if you need a pick-me-up, come to Tangles. Trust me, you'll leave feeling fabulous.
Too bright.